Dear student, today I will solve exercise 3.2. Question number first. Given matrix A is equal to, let A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 2 element of matrix, and B element matrix 1, 3, minus 2, 5. C is equal to matrix of elements minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Find each of the following. So, first part A plus B. So, matrix A plus B. Now, solution of this question. So, matrix A is equal to matrix A element 2, 4 and 3, 2. Also plus element of matrix B 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Now we check order of matrix. 1 row, 2 row, this is 2, and 1 column, 2 column by 2. Order of matrix 2 by 2, and this 1 row and 2 row, this is 2 in by 1 column, 2 column, this is 2. Order of matrices are same. Order of matrix are same. So, corresponding element are added. Corresponding elements should be added. So, now matrix 2 plus 1. Corresponding elements, this sign plus, so 2 plus 1, and also 4 plus 3, and 3 plus minus 2, and 2, 3 minus 2, and 2 plus 5. So, now new matrix 3, 7 and 1 and 7. This is order of matrix 2 by 2. Given matrix 2 by 2, new matrix make 2 by 2. This is answer. And also A minus B. A minus B means matrix given A 2, 4 and 3, 2. 3, 2 and minus B matrix 1, 3, minus 2, 5. So, this is order of matrix 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. If order are same given matrix, so matrix should be subtracted. So, corresponding elements should subtracted. So, this is new matrix 2 with sign minus 1. So, plus with 1, 2 plus 1, 4 plus 3, same way this is with sign. So, 2 minus 1 and 4 minus 3 and also 3. So, minus minus, so minus 2 and 2 minus 5. So, this matrix 1 and 1, 1 and 5 and minus 3. This is answer. And also third part of this matrix, this is multiply by 3 in this matrix. So, now 3 right here, and given matrix 2, 4 and 3, 2 and minus C matrix. So, minus 2, 5 and 3, 4. So, this scalar quantity, this multiply by each element. So, This is 3 into 2, 3 into 4, and 3 into 3, and 3 into 2, and minus 2, 5, and 3, 4. So now this matrix, each scalar quantity multiplied by each element in this matrix, so gives this. So now get 3, 6, and 12, and 9, and 6. So matrix minus 2, 5, 3, and 4. So order of matrix given are same, this corresponding element should be subtracted. So now 6 and minus 2, and also 12 minus 5, and 9 minus 3, and 6 minus 4. So this is, so 6 plus minus plus, so 6 gives 8, and get 7, and 6, and 2. This is answer of given question. And fourth part, AB. Find matrix of AB. So now write A, matrix A, 2, 4, 3, 2, and also matrix B, 1, 3, minus 2, 5. So multiply this matrix into this. So now initially we check order of matrix. So 1 row, 2 row, and 1 column 2. This is 2 into 2, and also 1 row, 2 row, and 1 column, 2 column, 2 by 2. If first matrix, so column 2, and second matrix row are same, order of matrix and column and second row are equal, then matrix will be possible. So this is 2 and 2 are same. First matrix order in column, first matrix column and second matrix row, these are same, then it will be possible of matrix multiply by each other. So new matrix order 2 by 2. So how can multiply these matrix? So now let us start multiply this. So first matrix let a row, and second matrix let take common, column, no column. So column, first matrix you take row, and second matrix you take row, multiply by corresponding each element and added. So 2 multiply by 1, 2 multiply by 1 plus 4 multiply by minus 2, 4 multiply by minus 2. So first element, so first row, so first element, so 2 into 1 and plus 4 into minus 2, and also second column and first row. So first row and second column should be, so 2 multiply by 3, 2 multiply by 3 plus 4 multiply by 5, 4 multiply by 5, and also same way second row. So second row you take and first column, so 3 multiply by 1, 3 multiply by 1, and plus 2 multiply by minus 2, 2 multiply by minus 2, and also second column this is, and second row, so 3 into 3, 3 into 3, and 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5. This is matrix multiplication completed. So initially we check order of matrix. So first matrix column and second matrix row are equal, then it will be possible to multiplication of matrix. So now you take first row, first matrix first row, and second matrix first column. So now multiply by each other and added. So first element corresponding to first element, 2 into 1 plus and 4 into minus 2, and first row and second column. So 2 multiply by 3 and plus 4 multiply by 5, and also second row. So multiply by first column 3 into 1 and 2 into minus 2, and also second column this. So 3 multiply by 3 and 2 multiply by 5. So now this 2 into 1 2, plus minus minus, and 4 into 8 and 6 and plus 20, and this is 3 minus 4, and this is 9 and plus 10. So now result will be minus 6 and 26, also minus 1 and 19. This is answer of multiplication of given matrix. Also you can solve B into A. Now these may be for given matrix 1 3 minus 2 5, and also given element of matrix A 2 4 3 2, and multiply by, initially we check the order of matrix 2 by 2 and also 2 by 2. If 2 by 2, if column of first matrix equal to row of second matrix be equal, if matrix, then it will be possible. So 2 into 2, 2 cancel out, so 2. So new matrix makes 2 by 2. So now let us start multiplication. So first row you take first matrix first row, and second matrix first column. We take first matrix row and second matrix column you take. So multiply by corresponding each elements and added. So 1 into 2, 1 into 2 and make plus, and 3 into 3, 3 into 3, and again first row and second column. So 1 into 4, 1 into 4 and plus. So 3 into 2, 3 into 2, and also minus 2 into minus, you take second and first. So minus 2 into 2 and plus 5 into 3, 5 into 3, and also you take first and second row, second column. So minus 2 into 4 and plus 5 into 2, 5 into 2. So this is multiplication of matrix. So new matrix. So 2 into 1 2 and 9, and 4 in 4 plus 6, and also minus 4 plus 15, 4 plus 15, and minus 8 plus 10. So now result gives, so 9 plus 2 11, and 6 plus 4 10, and 15 minus 4, so 11, and 10 minus 8 2. This is answer of multiplication of given. Now we show A multiplication of AB and multiplication of BA not equal. This is A into B not equal to B into A. This is not multiplication of follow commutative law. That's all. Thank you.